Tired of hunting for the logo upload in Klaviyo? This exact click path gets your logo in under 2 minutes. We'll start by opening the Content menu, then navigate to Media and Brand, upload your logo, and choose the compressed option Klaviyo recommends. Click Content in the left sidebar. Then open up Media and Brand. Next, select Brand. Then click on Logos. Now click Add Logo to begin. Then hit the Upload Image tab. And click Select Image to pick the logo from your computer. Give it a moment to load. You can choose between Original, or you can select Compressed. We'll go with Compressed, since that's Klaviyo's recommendation. Click on Upload to finish. And there you go. You can see it's already uploaded. Nice work. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.